learner-centred education and student support. What does this mean in post-conflict, post-disaster situations? I'm Karina Veal, and that's the question we turn to now. As far as resources allow, potential trainees should receive individualised attention to help guide them into new education and training options. Job counselling, psychosocial counselling, CAP studies, knowledge, attitudes and practices, these are all useful techniques. And it's important that the recent trauma that these young people have lived through is addressed and not swept under the carpet. Not only in the pre-training counselling and placement, but also actually as part of student support within the vocational training. Psychosocial counselling, games, community reintegration projects, all these kind of things can be actually integrated as part of the vocational training activities. Also, to have learner-centred education in this environment and student support, it's important that teachers and the educational institutions are supported to deal with this target group. There may be, in some cases, difficult behaviours, more aggressive behaviours. Teachers need to be supported to be able to bring the best educational outcomes for all their students, including those who have gone through significant trauma. We know that personal resilience can be boosted by building on strengths. We also know that people acquire skills outside of the formal education training settings. While people have been actively involved in conflict, while they've been in displaced persons camps, in refugee camps, they're still learning and learning valuable skills which may have an employability applicability. Can we find out which skills and experiences young people have had and leverage those into livelihoods? In any society, the aspirations of learners need to be explored and not assumed. This is equally important, if not more important, in countries emerging from conflict and disaster.